The government may be forced to ban certain types of dogs from coming into Jamaica to prevent people from being viciously attacked or killed. Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw made the comment recently during an interview with journalists. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports.
It's often said that dogs are a man's best friend, but they can also be man's worst enemy. Last month, the nation was rocked by news that a senior citizen died after being severely bitten by a vicious set of dogs. He is 66-year-old Whittington Cole of Hampton Green, Spanish Town, St. Catherine.
This can't be allowed to continue. It's unacceptable.
So Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw had this message.
I want to start by saying to all owners of dogs, whether they are pit bulls or Rottweilers or any other type of dogs, please, for God's sake, take responsibility for your animals. Because if those animals are loose and they are aggressive, and little children are out there, little 5-year-old, 6-year-old, 10-year-old children, my little girl is 9 years old, are out there and the dogs attack them, there's no help for these kids. It is dangerous and it is irresponsible for any dog owner to allow these dangerous dogs to be loose and not protecting the communities.
Under the Dogs Liability for Injuries Act, a dog owner is responsible for any injury caused by the animal. The challenge sometimes, however, is identifying who the dogs belong to. Mr. Shaw says the law relating to the keeping of animals falls under the ambit of the local government ministry.
In fact, there is a review that's taking place of the law to strengthen it. And we need to do that. What I want to suggest is instead of having the government take drastic action like banning certain types of dogs in this country, I serve warning to everybody. Go and protect your dogs and protect our community and protect our children and our citizens.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.